Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. To do that, you have to click these three icons on your taskbar, then make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on, click the arrow icon next to Wi-Fi, then you're gonna have to select the Wi-Fi network that you want to connect to, and if you want to connect to it automatically, don't touch this checkbox, then click connect and enter the password to your network. Press enter and wait until you are connected. And that's it. That's how you connect to a Wi-Fi network. To disconnect from it, you can simply select it right here and click disconnect. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.